Hi everyone, Tsoga Tsoga here from Cigarettes. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to sing a poem in Setswana. Hope you enjoy it and hope you've enjoyed all our other videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to just help us grow. This one is a great follow-up to an older video about getting ready in the morning to go to school. So this is a poem of sorts which describes what you're doing in the morning. I'll say it and then I'll translate it and we'll say it again. Okay? You ready? Tsoga Tsoga, dumedisa, tlhapa tlhapa, o fele, tsaya dijo o fitlhole, fa o fetsa, tlhatswa seja, se boloke, tsaya lokwalo, dumedisa, o tsamaye. Yay! Let's break it down in Setswana. Tsoga Tsoga, dumedisa. Wake up, wake up, say hello. Tsoga Tsoga, dumedisa. Tsoga is wake up, wake up. Tsoga Tsoga, dumedisa. Tlhapa tlhapa, o fele. Tlhapa is to wash yourself, whether that's in the shower, in the bathtub, wash yourself. Tlhapa tlhapa, o fele. Fele is to sweep. So in the morning you wake up, say hello, have a shower, sweep. Tsaya dijo o fitlhole. Dijo is food. Fitlola is to break fast. So tsaya dijo is take your food and break your fast. Fa o fetsa, tlhatswa seja, which is when you're done. Fetsa is to finish. Tlhatswa, tlhapa is to wash yourself. Tlhatswa is to wash something. So fa o fetsa, when you are finished, that's with breaking fast. Tlhatswa seja is to wash your plate or your bowl, wash whatever you were using. Siboloke means pack it away safely. Tsaya lokwalo is get your book. Lokwalo or your book bag, I suppose you could say, is full of makwalo or books. So tsaya lokwalo. Dumedisa, o tsamaye. Dumedisa in this instance is like say goodbye, sorry. O tsamaye means then you go. So you say your goodbyes and go. Sounds good? Let's say it again one last time. Tsoga Tsoga, dumedisa, tlhapa tlhapa, o fele. Tsaya dijo o fitlhole. Fa o fetsa, tlhatswa seja, se boloke, tsaya lokwalo. Dumedisa, o tsamaye. Yay! I'm hoping your vocabulary is getting amazing with all these nursery rhymes. Until next time, Hosiame, bye!